Hi folks, thanks for tuning in. It's springtime, yay. Time for service on your air conditioning system. Today I'm working on a Duquesne. I came in and the circuit breaker was blown, and I came out here and this is what I found. This was attached to here, but look, the starter capacitor, it wasn't attached. So it fell down onto the contactor here, shorted it out. You can see all the blackness back there. And lucky it didn't kick out the transformer. So he's lucky about that. My customer is lucky about that. But you can see right here where it blew a hole in the starter capacitor, and it did that to the capacitor here and the contactor. So I'm going to go ahead and replace these two parts. Got them on demand. So we'll get this done and get it up and running and see what else we need to do with this unit. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Give us a call, 484-764-7738, so you can service your air conditioning system before the hot heat hits, and make sure it's reliable and dependable. Thank you very much. Have a great day.